I can provide you with a recipe for a delicious blackberry tart. This is a classic Italian dessert that combines crumbly shortcrust pastry with a luscious blackberry jam. Here's how you can prepare it. Ingredients: 300 grams of 00 flour, 150 grams of cold butter cubed, 150 grams of sugar, 1 large egg, 1 egg yolk, grated zest of 1 untreated lemon, a pinch of salt, blackberry jam to taste, about 300 to 400 grams, fresh blackberries for decoration, optional. Preparation: in a large bowl or on a pastry board, mix the flour with the sugar and a pinch of salt. Add the cold cubed butter and start to work with your hands or with a food processor until you obtain a sandy mixture. Add the egg and yolk, the grated lemon zest, and quickly knead until you get a smooth and even ball of dough. Do not overwork the dough to prevent the shortcrust pastry from becoming elastic. Wrap the ball of dough in cling film and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Prepare a tart mold by greasing it with a little butter and dusting it with flour, or by lining it with parchment paper. Roll out 2/3 of the shortcrust pastry on a lightly floured surface until it is about 3 to 4 millimeters thick, and line the mold, pressing well on the edges. Pour the blackberry jam into the mold lined with dough and spread it evenly. Roll out the remaining dough and cut out strips or decorations of your choice to create a lattice on top of the tart. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until the shortcrust pastry is golden and crispy. Let the tart cool before removing it from the mold. Optionally, decorate with fresh blackberries before serving. If you wish for a more rustic and homemade touch, you could make the blackberry jam at home by cooking the blackberries with sugar in a ratio of about 1:1 and the juice of half a lemon until you reach the desired consistency. Curiosity: the blackberry tart is a sweet that belongs to the Italian rural tradition. In the past, jams were a method to preserve seasonal fruit, and tarts represented a delicious solution to use these preserves throughout the year.